Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this video won't have not too much about Corel Draw as far as where to find patterns to cut out these neat stars that are two pieces of paper that have been folded together. And I know I'm going to get some questions. I used a cardstock type material, just thicker than regular paper. You know, the poster board would probably be too thick. So somewhere in between that. But somebody sent me this lady's address from her website, and it's .ca, and she is from Sweden. And if you want to copy that down, just Monica's Creative Room.se. And this is what her website looks like. And under cutting files, I actually found the stars under boxes and bags. And I don't really remember which one I used. I think I used this one. And then you just double click on it and it shows you, well, this isn't it because it's got cuts other places. Let's try the pink one, light purple. So this is the file I use, and all I had to do is go and download the file. And it's easy, it's simple, it is free. If you would like to, and I'm going to, donate to her, but she's got them saved in DXF, which is very easily open in Corel Draw or other. I mean, she's got 7 different formats. She's evidently really savvy, and I'm going to donate to her because I'm going to use some of these products. And I got her okay. I emailed her a couple days ago, and she got back to me. So you've got these stars, and when you download it, it's going to look like this, except for I believe all her hairlines are red or black. The whole thing's black. I converted mine to red, so I know that they're the dotted lines. And just to let you know, on paper, it cuts real fast. And so you need to, like, let's see what these are. These are just takes up almost 5 inches of paper, but you don't want to waste any paper if you cut too lightly. So I would cut out a rectangle and start with 100 power, 100 speed. And if that didn't quite cut, go 100 power at 80 speed, and surely that'll cut through it. Now the part about Corel, and then I changed her dot formation lines because this would all depend on your paper. If we go back to the picture, I cut the orange one out first, and I cut too many dots, and it's actually not being held up very much, where the green is more, the dots are for folding, but not letting them rip. And my suggestion is to how to cut these would be do them in a two cut process. Hold down your alternate key and select those. Then hold down your shift key and select those. So now you've got those 12 lines, and let's just prove it by moving them over. So if your laser print driver has the deal where you can select what you've selected to cut, do it this way. Or if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's move these over 10 inches. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 10. I'm holding down my alternate key, and that means anything it touches, it grabs. Then I'm going to hold down my shift key, and I'm going to grab those again. Now I'm going to move them out of the way 10 inches. Now I'm going to move these out of the way 10 inches, and I'm going to put these back. So my suggestion would be to cut this first, so the paper won't fly, because if it happened to cut out the center first or the outside first, it might take off on you with your dust extractor or smoke extractor. Then just move that out of the way and put these back and run this job. And these they are a black hairline, so they will cut, and they're easy to put together. The first one was a little bit difficult because you got to think that this piece, let me just zoom in here. This is the tip of the star. This is the tip that will go into this part of the star. So basically, you run it just like it's setting. Let's see if this is not grouped together. I don't think they are. But so they're not grouped together, so I can't move them over. So it'll be just the opposite. Hope that's a little bit understood. But anyway, I'm going to share this file on Epilogue's Facebook page, and I've had a couple of people ask me about that, and Epilogue's Facebook page is just Epilogue Laser Fans, and it's going to be right here under the files. I'm going to post it as soon as after I get through making the video. So she's got a lot on there. I mean, she's got a lot of 3D models of gazebos. I mean, that'd be really cool to cut that out of paper. I haven't tried one yet, and I don't know how it would actually work. But I'm going to, and she says it's been a long time since she's done any more creating, but she was okay with me sharing the file, or sharing the website, and then you can go get the files yourself. But I am going to share that one star. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.